Thanks for joining me again. Today, you will learn how to use Python's dictionary. Dictionaries are a collection of related pieces of information. You can create a dictionary to represent a person and store their first and last name, address, age, profession, and any other aspect of a person you can describe. In this lesson, you will learn how to create a dictionary, add and remove key value pairs, access values in a dictionary, and modify values in a dictionary. First, let's create a dictionary. You will need to name your dictionary. Once that is done, your dictionary is wrapped in braces and a series of key value pairs are inside of the braces. So in my example, my dictionary name is Michigan. And my dictionary will hold information about the state of Michigan. The keys in my dictionary are capital, flower, and bird. The value for the capital key is Lansing. The value for the flower key is apple blossom. And the value for the bird key is American robin. And you notice that each key and each value is inside of single quotes with a colon separating the two. And at the end of the value, you will put a comma. You can add new key value pairs to a dictionary at any time. In my example, I wanted to add the population to my Michigan dictionary. So I started by typing the dictionary name, Michigan, followed by the new key, which is population in square brackets, and I set it equal to 10.5 million, which is the value. When you no longer need a piece of information that's stored in a dictionary, you can use the delete method to completely remove a key value pair. In this example, we will remove the bird key and its value. First, I need to type DEL for delete. Then, I type the dictionary name, and inside of the brackets, type the key, which is bird. This will delete the key and the values associated with it. The deleted key value pair is removed permanently. Accessing values in a dictionary. If you want to access the values associated with a given key, type the name of the dictionary and then place the key inside a set of square brackets between quotes. In my example, I wanted to access the capital of Michigan so that I could print it onto the screen. So, inside of my print function, I type the name Michigan because that's the name of my dictionary, and then inside of brackets, I put capital because that is the key of the value that I needed. What would happen if you tried to access the value of a key that didn't exist? You will receive an error if the key you asked for didn't exist. In order to prevent this from happening, you should use the get method to set a default value that will be returned if the requested key doesn't exist. In my example, I'm going to use the get method to call the value of the nickname key. I'm going to store it in nickname value. If the key doesn't exist, no nickname assigned will be stored in nickname value. Modifying a value. To change a value in a dictionary, give the name of the dictionary with the key in square brackets and then the new value you want associated with the key. As you can see in my example, I changed the population from 10.5 million to 11 million. Now let's go to our online IDE and test out what was learned today. The first thing that I'm going to do, I will type a comment line to tell the user what this does. So creating a dictionary. Next, I'm going to type the name of my dictionary, and the name is Michigan. Open my curly brackets, and inside of my curly brackets, I'm going to type the keys and their values. So the first key I have is capital inside of single quotation marks. A comma at the end. The next key is flower, colon, the next key is bird. Comma. So now I'm going to print out my dictionary. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to add a new key to our dictionary. So we're going to add the key of population. So I'm going to type a comment. Adding a new dictionary key. And the new key is going to be population. And the population is 10.5 million. Now I'm going to print out my Michigan dictionary again to make sure that the new key value was added. And it was. Now the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to remove a key value from our dictionary. We're going to type DEL for delete, and we're going to delete the bird. Then after we delete that, we're going to print our dictionary again. And the bird is deleted. Okay, say for instance that we want to access the capital of Michigan. Here's the code for that. We're going to access a value in the dictionary. And now we're running. And it printed to the screen, Lansing. Okay, next we're going to try and call the value of a key that's not listed in our dictionary. And the key that we're trying to call is nickname. Okay, so nickname is not a key listed in our dictionary, so the output is no nickname assigned. Thank you for watching my lesson over dictionaries in Python. If you have enjoyed what you have seen on today, please hit the subscribe, like, and notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe.